hi. I'm gonna see my new cousin.
Right, so guys, we are out in London for the day today, and we're meeting up with Uncle Matt and Auntie Becky. We're going to the London Aquarium today. So we've got the tickets online. I think you have to, no, you don't have to, but you secure the space better when you book online. Yeah, they're still driving. So we're actually gonna meet up with them in a minute. We came down a bit earlier so that we could get some like pictures and stuff. So we're gonna spend the day with them. Okay, so we headed off at about 9. I think we got the 9:30 train that day, and we had to get one train and then the tube. I believe we had to, the whole journey took about 1 hour and 50 minutes, I think, in total. So we arrived in London. So that is actually, that big wheel is the London Eye, and I'm just showing you sort of the scenery around that area. So we came off at Westminster Station. You can get off at Waterloo as well. The admin was, I believe, £30 for children and £33 for adults. We booked online, but you can pay when you get there. That tall clock you can see across the river is actually Big Ben. Do you see him yet? Do you see him yet?
Yeah!
You can go, you can go.
How cute. So Amirajay spotted Uncle Matt, so she went to greet him there. In the area you have like different things you can go to. So in this little clip here, that is actually Shrek Adventure. We went there last year. Oh, look at the baby one. Oh, look, I can see the baby one.
Oh, look, who's this? Yeah.
Puss Boots.
Puss in Boots.
Puss in Boots.
Ding, ding, ding.
Why did it make that noise?
Yeah, we heard it, didn't we? At 11 o'clock.
It'll make that noise again in 10 minutes.
Does it do it how fast as well?
They can't really hear it, they can't see the one, right? See the other one all the way down there?
So baby, they can't cross it.
The boat's has to go in the middle.
I'm here. Can I have a hug?
Come, Alfie. This way, Alfie. Alfie, there's more this way.
It's the cool thing. Oh my goodness! Hey, do you want to go look at that from here, right? What's in there? Fishy!
Oh, look, there's one really close by.
Once we got inside, it was actually really cool. The lighting is quite dark in there because it needs to be for like the fish and things, but it was quite long, to be honest. It's definitely good value for money. It wasn't like, you know, 1 tool like a tree like a tank and then it did not. No, it was good. It was long. Like, I feel like even for younger kids, like Alfie's age, he's 3, it may have been even a bit too long for him, but they really enjoyed it. So here, this is actually like an open top bit where you could see over the glass into like the stingray and other fish and sharks and things. Aren't they so cute? Just walking and holding hands.
Find out more. it makes them really sleepy like this. You know, they swim like this.
Yes, but look, we still go 50.
Yeah, but it's the cartilage. That's so fast.
Finally terrifying. I'll take a nice slow wave.
Who's the fast one? Not that it is the great white, isn't it? No. So the great white is like, who's the fastest? Oh, this one.
See this one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah,
Here's
true.
this one.
It does look scary, doesn't it?
Oh my goodness, he looks so scary. Mommy, there's another maze. There's another maze.
Wait, let's find out if we can.
I can't see with zoom. He wants to know. Anything is good. Leave it alone. There we go. Lots of lessons.
This bit here is probably my favourite in the whole place. This is like a little tunnel that you go through, and it was so cool to see all like the fish and shark and thing up close like that. It will go above your head, right beside you. Like look at this. Look how big this stingray is. Amazing. Look at that. So that was really cool. I really enjoyed the tunnel. It's probably my favourite part of the whole place. Now we're trying to, you know, get some shots done and some little pictures done with the little ones. Listen, just let them steer, let them walk and do what they want to do. I think we're able to get maybe 1 or 2 pictures, but look, like she did not want to stay. I think their favourite was probably, they had these little activity packs that you can buy when you buy the tickets. It's like a mission pack, I think it's called, and it's, you go through and everything that they see, you can tick it off in the book, and that was really cool and kept them engaged. Oh my god, they saw Nemo. Amira J went crazy when she saw Nemo, because like, who's never seen Nemo? It's just the most amazing movie ever. I recorded this because I thought this was a really cool fact about clownfish, and the fact that we already know girls run the world. Babe's just enjoying all these little clips with all these fish. I think, were these the prawn? No, I think those were some other little fish. Then we found Dory, which was super exciting. Let me know in the comments down below if you've seen Finding Nemo.
It's lovely.
You and Matt are literally just, y'all been videoing and taking pictures of these fish for about half an hour now. You saw it slow motion?
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
They've gone in some tunnel somewhere. They've gone to, I think you swim across to the sharks that way.
He's got a bit of meat, so he's taking it back to his nest.
Wow,
Did you see that frog? It's blue on it.
yeah, I see
There's a
that.
blue one at the back there, buddy. Oh no, he's come around to the front, by his house. Can you see him? I really like that.
Pretty.
God, man, the shadows though. The shadows they cast out there if you're not paying attention.
ये कहाँ ये हाँ वो उसके अंदर है
Really cool.
Apparently they use
Cool bag. Can you see all of the tiny, tiny little fish? There's a really cool one that was like stuck on the glass.
Oh,
He's looking at me.
There's one fish over there.
He's looking at me. Why is he looking at me? Why is he looking at me?
Wait. Is he breathing? Have you ever wondered?
He is breathing.
yeah, he is.
Is he breathing?
Yeah.
No, we saw that. We didn't see octopus.
Come on, Buckle, you can share, sweetie.
We didn't have that. And we didn't see that. We saw a seahorse.
Huh? Right at the end, I think.
We
Well,
saw
it depends.
scales.
You go up to -1.
Oh, cool. Okay.
I thought there was like a touchy-feely tank.
Maybe, yeah.
Well,
Is
maybe
there?
there's a
I think
-1.
so.
Once you've finished like seeing all the fish and things, they actually have a little bit where there's like a visual stimulator where you can see scuba diver clips from like deep down in the sea. So that's what Babe was doing in the chair. Then while we checked out at the gift shop and got our pictures and things, the kiddos played this very random game thing that was by the tills. After this, we then went to, there's this fish and chip shop on the same street, literally next door to like Shrek World and London Eye and things, and I think they actually, no, I don't think, I know they sell chicken wings, fish and chips. Fish and chips were about £15. The sausage and fries were about a tenner. Wings I think were about £8 to £10, something like that. And then after we had food, they also do classic chips and newspaper as well, proper British stuff, so that was good. Really good for tourists and stuff if you're in the area, and it's super convenient that it's right next door, so it is a bit more pricey than if you went somewhere else. We then got dessert, which are these little sundaes in a waffle cone base. They were about £4.50. Soft serve vanilla ice cream and then little chocolate sticks. We got 2 with strawberry syrup and then 3 with chocolate syrup, and those were super yummy as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mira, you can put some money in his hat.
Bebe, put money in.
There you go. Put money in his basket. See his basket there?
Good girl. Look. Oh. Come, baby.
Oh, that's not
Look this way.
Alfie, over here.
Alright, now watch this. Watch this, everybody. Come on, give me a round. Now watch this, everybody watch this. Come on, watch this. Yeah, we are having fun here. We are having fun here. Everybody watch this.
Look at me face. Like, huh?
Come on, hey. No, not you, not you. Wait here, come on. Hey, 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 Showtime, showtime. Yeah, this is where we have the fun. We are having fun here. Oh, yes. Let's get Stevie Ho. Okay, now, watch this, watch this.
Stand there, that's good.
Follow me.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
All right, now we go. Now, Libo time. Libo time. Everybody, if you want to see the Libo, say yes. Okay, now we go.
Okay, we're over here.
La musique se concentre
Amira.
Amira, hi! Alfie!
Heading home now. Mira did not want to leave everybody, so she was a bit sad. But it was a very long day. I think it was about 5 o'clock-ish now, so she fell asleep on Daddy's shoulder, and then he had to carry her the whole way to the other station and everything. But yeah, that's what happens when you have kids. You have to deal with when they fall asleep, and then you have to carry them. Thank God he was here, because I could not manage.
Alright guys, so we're heading back now. We just finished meeting up and saying goodbye to Auntie Becky, Uncle Matt, Uncle Leo and Alfie, and she pretty much cried herself to sleep. She was not happy that we were leaving, but it's one of those things. So we had so much fun. The aquarium was so good. Then we had some fish and chips afterwards. And then they went on the little, is it it's not a merry-go-round. What is it called?
Pony ride thing, kind of like a merry-go-round.
Like a merry-go-round kind of, but like it's horses. I forgot what it's called. Anybody know it, comment down below. There's clips of that in there as well. But yeah, that was really fun, a really awesome day. We're just heading back now. 1 second. When we bought the peanuts, £5 for the peanut, people. Where's the peanuts? They're here. She didn't eat it. She had one that she was like, nah, mommy. Why is it red? But it's a red light. I don't know.
We need to go.
Unless it's not working.
No, because that one is still.
Oh, they can turn that way. But now that's green. I think we'll just jump it after this. Should we go? Yeah, let's go. I don't think the light's working. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah. So it smells so good, guys. The peanut smells. They cover it in caramel, and they like roast it on there. I think I got some clips as well. And it smelled good. She was like, oh, mommy, I want some. I was like, yeah, sure. The lady never said the price when we were buying it. And then at the end, I was like, oh, how much was it? She was like, £5. I was like, I'm sorry, what? What? Look at it. Look at this little cup. This is party cup. Isn't this party cup that you use chaser at dance?
Smaller than
A party cup. And she had one. Throw the whole kid away. The whole kid. Nah, look how cute she's not. Let me. Guys, I just threw away some of the peanuts. So you know I just threw £2.50 worth of the peanuts on the floor. Trying to fix my coat.
Surprise!
Oh my god. Wow! I'm such a mom, look. I'm doing the laundry. Oh, look at mama and her baby. Look at the mama. Oh my god! Oh, look! Wow! Oh, shut up. Oh, it's my favourite wine as well. Oh, it's the oat cleansing balm. Me and Shad were just talking about this. Okay, Hastings fam, so we're home now. I don't think I mentioned earlier, but it's actually Mother's Day today here in the UK. So happy Mother's Day to all my mummies. I just got surprised by a little Mother's Day gift, which is really sweet.
Hi.
And Amelia made me a beautiful card. She made me 2 cards actually. We had a lovely Mother's Day brunch at your school on Friday, didn't we?
Mom, no, I didn't make 12. I made 1.
No, you gave me one at school, and then you gave me the other one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that was nice. And then today was a good day.
It was good.
Yeah, it was a great day. We had fun with my sister and my brother and little Alfie. We're just going to get ourselves all cleaned and ready for bed because it's school in the morning. Hello? School in the morning. Yeah. Yeah, she's not pleased about that. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for joining us today. Yeah, so we're gonna go get ready for bed now, and then
Mommy, can we put some water in this cup?
we can, yeah.
Yeah.
For LOL surprise?
Yeah, for
Okay.
the contains. What does it contain?
She got LOL surprise from Auntie Becky. So they change colours. I think the hair, I don't know.
Oh my goodness, it's getting. Look, it's getting it. I knew it. Okay. Oh, is it done? Is it done? Oh my goodness. Daddy, she's not drowning.
We are so happy to be back with you guys, and thank you guys for joining us for a day out in London today, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Did you tell them you saw Peppa?
Peppa.
That's it?
She's pushing her chest because she got a little sticker from Peppa. All right,